The federal government has just announced moments ago that it's banning flights into Canada from India and Pakistan for the next 30 days, beginning this evening. Can you react to that? And is there worry that this move might have come too late since the strain has already been introduced here?
Yeah, well, we know that we have some instances of the B1617 that we've talked about, and like every case, we're trying to contain that. We don't have indication of widespread of that variant, but yes, it is a very difficult time right now in India, and our heart goes out to that country and the family here who have family members and friends and relatives who are going through what is happening in India right now. And we hope that they will be able to get control of this wave in that country. It's a tragedy globally that we are seeing, and India is bearing the brunt of it right now. So we are very supportive of the federal government stopping flights coming into Canada right now. We've seen this when we had increased rates in the UK when we needed to take a break and ensure that we had an understanding of what was going on. And it just is a very challenging time in India right now, and we hope that they're able to manage that as soon as possible. But we are very supportive of this move by the federal government. It's something that we've been advising on nationally as well to support trying to prevent. We're struggling our own third wave across this country right now, and so anything that we can do that stops further introductions into the country is really, really important. And we know there's been challenges with the quarantine program for international travel. So this is a good move. It's good for all of us right now. It's just with a heavy heart, because we know that it's hard on families and people who have loved ones in India right now and Pakistan. I do want to mention one other thing before the Minister sums it up, just to say thank you to our neighbours to the northwest. The state of Alaska has my colleague Ann Zink, Dr. Zink, and Governor Dunleavy are in Hyder and Stewart right now, and are supporting the our joint communities there in making sure that anybody who wants it has access to vaccine in the next day or so. And we've done immunization in Stewart already, but for those people who missed the opportunity, we're very grateful for our neighbours to be able to support us in providing immunizations in Hyder and Stewart today.
Just to say that obviously we strongly support this. Is an issue that Dr. Henry raises with other health ministers, with other provincial health officers across the country, and with Dr. Tam. One that I've raised, the issue of travel with Minister Haidu, and obviously the Premier with the Prime Minister, and to strongly support the action of the federal government in this area. I think it's the right step at this time. I also want to share Dr. Henry's view of the seriousness of the situation in India, our support for people there who are struggling with some of the very things that we're struggling with right now. And we wish them all of our best thoughts and support in this difficult time. But at the moment, the step to deal with international travel, both from India and from Pakistan, except for cargo travel, is the right action by the federal government, and we support it. I also wanted to express our support, our appreciation to Governor Dunleavy for the situation in Hyder Stewart, and the support that we're getting there. And we of course, very much appreciate that. On his trip, the Governor is taking those actions.